Hi, my name's Jay Hubbard and I'm the Managing Director of English Brothers Limited, a bespoke timber framed homes manufacturer. In this video, I'm going to share with you my short, sharp, top tips to help you get the wow factor from your timber frame project. Obviously, there's lots of things you can consider, but in the main, what is it that you want to make the most of? Is it the space, wide open plan living? Is it the views? Is it the external appearance? Is it the natural light flooding into the building? Is it the staircase that makes people that walk through your front door say, wow? Is it special features, beautiful handmade king post trusses in a vaulted ceiling, for example, or exposed steel beams, or even exposed timber beams that show how the building is held together? Because timber frames are fully engineered systems, it means that any of these details can be easily incorporated at the design stage. If your architect or house designer can't give you what you want, a good timber frame design team should be able to help you along your way. The three key things to consider to make sure you can create the wow factor in your new home are these. Just remember that it is your home, nobody else's. Talk openly to your design team. If you're not sure about what's being proposed, ask for clarification. If you don't like it, say you don't like it. Convey your ideas too. Take the time to think about it. There's no need to rush. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for listening. Please feel free to get in touch with English Brothers with any of your self-build questions. We'd be delighted to help. Bye.